everyone! Today, I want to share some simple activities from my day. Some of them I'm doing right now, and some I have already finished. Part 1. Activities I'm doing now. Right now, I'm reading a novel. It's a very interesting story and I enjoy it. I'm also painting my nails. I choose a nice color and I'm doing it carefully. At the same time, I'm folding the clothes to keep everything neat. Part 2. Activities I have finished. Earlier, I finished reading one chapter of the novel. I have already painted one hand and I will finish the other soon. I also fold some of clothes so only a few are left. Part 3. Activities I'm doing and have done. I'm reading a novel and have already read part of it. I'm painting my nails and one hand is finished. And I'm folding the clothes and most of them are already done. Part 4. How to use how much and how many. Now, I would like to talk about how to use how much and how many in everyday conversation. We use how many to ask about things we can count, like apples or orange. We use how much to ask about uncountable things, like money or water. Here is a simple dialogue as an example.
How many apples do you want to buy? I want to buy 5 apples. How much do they cost? They cost 2,000 rupiah each. How much money do you have? I have 10,000 rupiah. Great, then you can buy 5 apples. How many oranges do you want? Just 3 orange, please. Okay, that will be 6,000 rupiah for the orange. Here is the money. Thank you.
In this conversation, we use how many to ask about the number of apple and orange. We use how much to ask about the price and the amount of money. That's how we use how much and how many in real situation. Part 5. Understanding comparative and superlative sentence. Today, I'm going to talk about comparison and superlative sentence. We use comparative to show difference between two things, and we use superlative to show the highest or lowest quality among 3 or more things. Here is the video.
Today, I want to talk about comparative and superlative sentence. Using example, Amina is older than Sulastri. and Dodi is the oldest among them. Comparative sentences are used to compare two people, things, or place. We usually add "er" to short adjective or use the word "more" before longer adjective. For example, if Amina is 24 years old and Sulastri is 20 years old, we can say Amina is older than Sulastri. This sentence compares the age of two people. It tells us that Amina is older than Sulastri. Superlative sentences are used to show the highest degree of something among three or more people, things, or place. We add is to short adjective or use the most before longer adjective. For example, if Dodi is 30 years old, Amina is 24 years old, and Sulastri is 20 years old, we can say Dodi is the oldest among them. This sentence shows that Dodi has the highest age in the group. In short, use comparative for two things: older, bigger, more beautiful. Use superlative for three things or more: the oldest, the biggest, the most beautiful. Thank you for listening.
Part 6. Dialogue in Traditional Market. In this part, I will present a dialogue happen in a traditional market. In the conversation, we will talk about items that cannot be counted, their price, and how to bargain for a better deals. Let's listen to the dialogue and see how these things are used in a real situation.
Good morning, how can I help you? Good morning, I want to buy some red onions. How much red onion do you have? I have many kilograms of red onions. How much do you want to buy? I want to buy 3 kilograms. How much is the price? It is 25,000 rupiah per kilo. So, for 3 kilograms, it will be 75,000 rupiah. Can you give me a discount? Maybe 70,000 rupiah for 3 kilograms? Okay, for you, I can make it 72,000 rupiah. Okay, deal. Thank you. Can I also have some garlic? How much garlic do you have? I have garlic by kilograms too. How many kilograms do you want? Just 1 kilogram, please. How much is this? It costs 30,000 rupiah per kilogram. Can you reduce the price to 28,000 rupiah? Sorry, that's the lowest price I can offer. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That was the dialogue in a traditional market. As you heard, we talk about uncountable items like garlic and red onions, their price, and also how to ask for a lower price politely. Thank you for listening this presentation.